Welcome to this quick tutorial. I'm your host, Christopher Poulsen, and you are here on my personal profile page for Facebook. And the tutorial today is on the Solar Pro lead machine. If you're watching this, I welcome you. Hope you'll stay through the whole video. I'm going to teach you real quick exactly how and why I created this product recently. So I have been a door knocker selling pest control, home security, and solar now for the last 7 years. And it's a great way to generate leads. Going out and knocking on doors face to face, talking to homeowners. They're at their own domain and offering them services and products of value that will help their living situation. Whatever business you may be in, this is for you. It's not just for solar or roofing experts. This is for any type of business owner. I simply catered my digital product to solar and roofing experts because I'm passionate about this industry and I love helping reps grow. I love educating others on different tools and opportunities to increase their bottom line as young entrepreneurs, as business owners, as old entrepreneurs. All of us are in different stages of our business, no matter what business we're in. It could be solar, roofing, dog grooming. You could be a salon owner, a florist, a paver. The list goes on and on, right? A dentist, a lawyer, an attorney. A lawyer and an attorney, same thing, right? Glad you're listening. It could be a chiropractor. It could be so many different things, an e-commerce business owner, a coaching business, a consultant business, a photographer. Whatever type of business you have, this Solar Pro lead machine, just plug in dentist lead machine, plug in whatever business you're in, lead machine, it will work. Okay, you just have to substitute solar roofing for whatever business you're in, and I promise it'll work. So let me give you a quick rundown on how this is set up on my profile. So you see here on the cover photo, I used to have just a picture of my family, a picture of the beach, of the mountains, and it was very eye-catching, but it didn't help me generate any leads for my business. People liked it and loved it, and that's about it. So now, when people come to my page, they see exactly, oh, okay, what's this all about? Click to learn more. They can click on my cover photo. It pops up and it says, increase your solar roofing business online today and learn exactly how to generate free leads on autopilot. And then it points down here to the link, which then will take them to my website or my funnel. So as you go down here, the whole profile becomes a funnel to help attract and automate lead generation for whatever product or service you may be in. So here it says click the link above. We've discovered a brand new way to get leads and sales. There it is again in my intro. And then in my posts, I can post throughout the day or the week and say, do you own a business? Do you need more leads and sales? With my link, solarproleadmachine.com. Okay, so that's how my profile is set up in a nutshell. Now, if you were to click on this link here, the .bit.ly Solar Pro Leads, this is just a way to bring down the length of a website. If your website's really long, Solar Pro Lead Machine is a bit long, so I condensed it down using this bit.ly tool. Let me show you real quick how this works. So you just go to bit.ly, you put that in, and it pops up bit.ly. And then in here, you simply click on create. You paste that really long domain that you have, whatever the domain may be, and hit create, and then it'll generate a short link, a bit.ly link, where it's condensed down. All right, so if I go down and click on that, it's going to redirect me over here to my product, the Solar Pro Lead Machine. And on this page, it is a landing page or an opt-in page that helps people that come here learn how to hack your Facebook profile or your LinkedIn profile or any of your social media profiles to generate unlimited leads for your business. And there's a short video here that'll show you some testimonials and how people are using it and how it's working. Down here, it talks about how you can get the blueprint for this, which is only $7. Now, a blueprint is a set of plans. It's a set of guidelines a set of, I think of a house being built. When you get a big roll of blueprints, it has every step from the beginning to the end of where we want things to go, where we want the walls to go, everything like that. And that's exactly what this first page is talking about, getting the blueprint. So the Solar Pro Lead Machine Blueprint is a 9-step process that shows you how to hack your social media profiles to get solar, roofing, or plug in your business, any type of leads that grow your business today. So you can get unlimited free leads from social media. This is perfect for professionals. It's also perfect for beginners. You set it up once and it grows on autopilot. You don't have to keep investing thousands of dollars in Facebook ads. That'll help, I guess, if you have the budget, but this is a great way to do it organically, which means free, without spending all that money to grow your business. I know traditional advertising marketing can be very spendy. Billboards, radio, TV, print, newspaper, all of these methods are very costly and sometimes don't give us the best ROI, the best return on investment. But what I found is those that are implementing this strategy are having success right away, right out of the gate, once they get their profile set up with their particular business, whether it be coaching or florist or dentist or whatever it may be. They can start generating leads immediately for their business. So does it work? Yes, it works. We have all kinds of testimonials here. As you go here to the website, you'll be able to see everything. You'll be right here where I'm at. It's just solarproleadmachine.com. And let me just scroll down here to the bottom and show you how does it work exactly. How does this work? So the Solar Pro Lead Machine helps you generate leads when you interact on social media. You're already liking, loving, commenting, sharing, posting, and now you'll be able to generate rich organic traffic straight back to your profile page, whether you realize it or not. Because once you interact with someone, you friend someone, when you start doing those things, they naturally check out your profile, and if it's something of interest to that person, they're going to go to your website or your funnel. So even if you're not that active, you still have a natural flow of potential leads passing through every single day. And this is the most consistent stream of new leads for your solar roofing business, or whatever business you're in. Okay, so go get access today for only $7. It's the link right here below. Hey, turn back on. I've got an automated light switch, and if I'm not moving enough, it turns off probably every 3 to 5 minutes. It gets annoying, but that's how the building's set up here where my office is. So I'm back. Let me just show you this last part right here. So the best part is once this is set up, you can start driving on-demand traffic from your smartphone. Okay, almost everyone has a smartphone nowadays where we're liking, loving, commenting right from the palm of our hand. And this is the easiest, quickest way to start generating leads for your business, whatever it may be. And so educating others is our goal. We want to educate others on multiple opportunities, multiple services and products that we come across that we think are of value to those that we serve in the marketplace. We are so grateful that you jumped on today. Let me show you real quick where you can find this. You can go to Solar Pro Lead Machine. Like I said, we'd love for you to come over and like our page right here on Facebook. You can go over to the Solar Pro Lead Machine, just put it in the search bar, or go to the link below here and click on like the page. We just launched that. And then if you get the blueprint, the $7 blueprint will give you a private VIP access to our Solar Pro Lead Machine private group, where we will help you step by step set up your profile, answer questions in that group. There will be other members in there that are going through the same experience and helping transform and optimize their business to the online world. So we'd love it for you to go get the blueprint. Just check out down below. It'll take you right to the Solar Pro Lead Machine, and we'd love to see you on the other side. Take care for now. See you guys.